I'm going to show how to install a ring keypad on the wall. You will need the following tools: a hammer, drill, drill bit, pencil, Phillips head screwdriver, and a level. My ring keypad came in this Ring Alarm Home Security Kit. Within the contents of the box, you will find a ring keypad with the attached bracket. You will also find drywall anchors and mounting screws. Release the keypad from the bracket in this manner. Then begin charging the keypad with the included charging cord. Next, take the bracket and find a good location for installing. I recommend installing it on the inside of the house near the entrance. Once you find a good location, take a stud finder and search that area for studs behind the drywall. If there are studs, you can secure the bracket using only the screws. If there aren't any studs, you will need the screws and the drywall anchors. Next, place the bracket in your desired location and level. Once leveled, make a small mark on the wall using a pencil or a pen in the top of the keyed holes. If using the drywall anchors, choose a drill bit one size smaller than the size of the anchors. Then drill holes in the marked spots on the wall. Clean the holes of residual drywall shavings and insert the anchors into the holes. Use a hammer to drive them in until the flange has been seated against the wall in this manner. Once all three anchors have been seated, install the screws into the anchors using a Phillips head screwdriver. Screw them in halfway. You want them to stick out in order to receive the mounting plate. Next, install the mounting plate on the screws in their keyed spots in this manner. Then secure the plate with the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the keypad has been fully charged, remove from the charging cord and slide it into the mounting bracket. The keypad is now ready to use.